Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to transfer payments in your Cash App account or through your Cash App account, you may face a problem that your transfer has been failed. So how can you fix it? So guys, you can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, there's the option of VPN. If there is reconnected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may scroll it down and here is the option of general. So you may click here and you may click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys you may go back and you may check guys here the option of iPhone storage. So you may click here and you may select Cache App from here, and after this you may offload that app and install it again. So let's check guys, you may open Cache App and offload and install it from here. Then guys you may go back and you may just open your app store and in search bar you may write here Cache App and you will make sure that you have latest or updated version of this app. If you are not latest or updated version, please update your Cache App from here. So let's check guys, you may check guys if it's updated or not. So after this guys you may go back and you may just open your Cache App and you may log in or sign in with your Cache App and you may make sure that you have enough funds in your account. If you have not enough funds, then guys you may check as you should have enough funds, and then you may try to check and you may check your problem will be fixed. The next method is guys, you will make sure that your recipient account is correct, and if that account is not correct or the limit of that account is reached to its maximum, then you will not be able to send payments. The next method is you make sure that your identity is verified. If your identity is not verified, then you may not be able to send payments. After this you may make sure that your account limit is not reached to its maximum. After this guys, you may go back and here is the option of linked banks, and you may link correct bank or you may link that bank which may support your payment method. Then guys you may go back and you may check your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys you may click here on support and you may contact to Cash App support team and you may tell them your problem. So let's check guys, here is the option of chat. So you may click here and you may write about your problem and you may write to Cash App support team and you may check your problem will be fixed and Cash App support team will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.